My home is in historic Irvington, and I wanted to make sure that in any renovations that I did to the house that we would stay true to the historical integrity of the house and the architecture that was here. Corinthian was very conscious of my concerns, explained everything to me, and was very careful, and again, offering many ideas on how to keep the historical charm, yet still upgrade and update. My kitchen is a galley kitchen, and that presents challenges. The upgrade was very important to get more storage. Before, it was dark wood, but now everything is so light and airy, and the flow of traffic in and out of the kitchen and the workspace in the kitchen is now 100% better. Corinthian designers paid attention to my work processes so they could customize the renovations to meet my needs. The spice drawer is one of the best things that I had installed in the kitchen. Just having it there is so convenient, and it makes my work a lot easier. So as part of the renovation, we removed 2 archways that limited usable space. By eliminating those, it totally opened the breakfast nook. It allows more light to come in through the windows that had always been a part of that section of the kitchen, but it just opens up everything so that it is much more convenient to socialize and to talk with people as I'm working in the kitchen. With the renovations to my basement stairs, making those safe and easy to use, and the workflow of the kitchen, I feel comfortable that I can age in place happily in my home. After this renovation, it's the first time I've had 2 ovens in the kitchen, and I love that feature, and I love the fact that they are separate from my cooktop so that it allows a lot more efficiency in preparing meals for guests and when I entertain. During the design phase, I asked Corinthian if they had any ideas on how to upgrade my fireplace and mantle. They recommended to replace the stone mantle that I had with a wooden mantle and decorative tile. It has totally changed the focal point of my living room now, and the renovated fireplace looks original to the home. It is so warm and inviting. I just love it. Working with Corinthian to achieve my ideal home has been perfect. I loved all the expertise and guidance that they gave me throughout the entire process. I am very happy with my home and all the renovations.